everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Killer car, guys. If you're looking for something that's just kind of turnkey, point the direction and go, I think you'll love this car, man. Complete frame-off restoration done just a couple of years ago. Not very many miles. They say there's only about 2,000–3,000 miles on this car since it's been done. It's got oxidized primer floorboards, air, big block 454, 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. Just a killer car. You can see it's finished in cranberry red. It's got the black SS striping, the black vinyl top. I apologize, it's kind of drizzling out here a little bit. It's going to be one of those days here in Michigan, but like I say, just a very nice 71 Chevelle, guys. I love the front marker lights in 71. Not a whole lot to nitpick on this car, guys. Little stone peck there, but this is the kind of car that really anybody can buy. I've kind of had this conversation a couple times here in the last week, where I've actually talked people out of buying cars. I think they're wanting to buy stuff that's just a little bit too hot roddy for, let's say, a novice, you know, car guy. And but this is one that, man, anybody can buy, drive, and enjoy. Great car. Like I say, hits the road outstanding. Just a really nice car. Vinyl top's in great shape. Like I say, there's not a whole lot you can nitpick on the car. Like I say, you want a car that just drives out awesome. This car hits the road great. Good, solid, straight body. I believe the car's got all the original body panels. Chrome and stainless is nice. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got 17-inch Foose wheels. That's a pretty car, man. Good looking car. Front disc brakes. Again, nothing radical, just a good running 454 underneath the hood, 4-barrel stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner and valve covers, HEI distributor, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got air that blows ice cold. It's got cruise control, and yes, it works. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans, detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Aluminum radiator with shroud. My buddy Scotty found the car for me. He drove the car for a weekend, just said a great car. I probably put 10 miles on it. Really good running and driving car, man. Nice and tight. It's not a race car. It's, you know, they don't have that. 454 is pretty tame, but it really hits the road good. Glass is nice. Cowl hood, steel cowl hood. Sorry about the little drizzle, guys. It's just kind of spitting rain. New door rubbers. Blemish right there. If you want to nitpick something a little, I don't even know what they call that. It's kind of coming off the door pad a little bit. Bucket seats, console. It's got a tilt column with a sports steering wheel with, and like I say, the cruise control works. Headliner's nice. They've upgraded. That's a Dakota RVX gauge cluster in it. All that works. The little adjuster buttons down below the dash. It's showing, I think, 41,000. I'm sure that's 141, but like I say, there's between 2,000 and 3,000 miles on the resto. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Again, it's got the 700R 4 automatic overdrive trans, dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end with the stock 331 gear. It does have the F41 rear suspension with the sway bar. All your numbers are still in your quarters. Jack with spare is in here. Again, trunk's all spackle coated. Good looking car, man. Car is, like I say, complete frame off with oxidized primer floorboards. Got you some good pictures at the bottom of the car. Just, sorry guys, just sprinkles, man. Seats are in nice shape. Dash pad's nice. These gauges are cool because you look in there and they kind of look factory. They do have the overdrive indicator in the console there. Again, if you see that, guys, it's just little sprinkles. Dual chrome mirrors. Here's the door buster even works. Give it a little rev. Turn your air on. They're both ice cold, you guys. Go ahead and turn it back on. Great car, man. Just a good quality Chevelle. Good looking car. Great sound. Get this little rev so you can see the gauges all working. All the gauges are functional. Holding good oil pressure. Again, 41,000 is what it's showing. Hit your brakes, Owen. Turn signals. Put it in reverse. Back up nice one. Put it back in park. Little rev. Car sounds good. Turn your radio volume up. It should be on there. Yep, it all works. Turn your wipers on. Headlights. Hit your bright switch, which is on the floor. Turn them back off. Turn signals. Horn. Go ahead, Oak. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you got a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to see what's new.